welcome to the Portuguese forest. It's 8 a.m. We woke up at 5:30 and we're now on the way to find a good spot. It's the thing with shooting rally. It's 50% shooting and 50% walking and scouting. I try to, try to catch up with the boys. $24 to $70, I think. Might be good. We have a battery. Yep. Is it full? Yeah, kinda, almost. Spare battery in the pocket, so that if the camera runs out, you can quickly change it. Replace it with a fresh one. I stay here.
Yeah?
Yeah, for that turn.
I might go there because I need my lenses a little bit.
Okay, yeah. You can call me if it's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so my plan is to shoot the turn over there. Have to try to avoid the flag. Can you? Yeah, you can see like this. That's going to be the framing. Okay, that little twig there is pissing me off.
With the other one on the floor?
Yeah, that small one. I think if I walk there, they will shout at me immediately.
No, it's alright.
Yeet! Terraforming. Okay, so I have to go prone. Something like that, maybe. Are you exposing for the highlights or for the shadows?
For the shadows.
Really? I think I might expose more for the highlights.
Could do 2 stops, but yeah.
Oh, look at that!
What?
Fucking huge ant on my lens.
Oh god damn, bro.
Fuck off. When I took the photos of the Marlboro Camaro,
Yeah?
I stood in an ant pit. And I was feeling like my leg tickling. I was like, what the fuck is happening here? And it was like full of ants up until here.
Fuck that, bro. Oh yeah!
Fuck yeah.
I didn't even notice.
Yeah. I still was on single shooting. Fuck.
Yeah.
I wasn't on continuous.
I tested it.
I had down the shutter. Was like, what the fuck? Oh, that was Evans.
I fucked up my focus.
What's the focus mode? Do you use spot focus?
Like-
Oh, use spot focus, like a fixed point. Do
Yeah.
that.
Do that? Okay.
Yeah. Because then you have full control over the focus point. It's all good. You got time. No stress. Because if you don't use the spot autofocus, your camera will focus on whatever it thinks.
Flexible spotlight.
Yeah.
I usually use that, but I thought since he's moving so fast, like.
Yeah, you just follow it
Oh yeah.
with the focus point. Tanek switched teams. He was driving for Ford last year. I was wondering, I was like, that's not his car. But he switched back to Hyundai. It's not perfectly sharp, but it's pretty nice. Come on, guys. Let's go. If we wait for another one, I want to get one here.
Yeah?
If we wait for one car.
If there's one, then oh, this one's taking a bit of a while.
What?
This guy's taking a bit of a while. I really need to.
That's what I love about the Portugal stage, is all the dust kicking up. It's fucking amazing. We are so lucky because if it would have been raining yesterday, you wouldn't get any dust. Okay, we managed to go up the hill. I'm literally this close to passing out because I got a really bad sunstroke. But we keep on fucking going. Now there's too much grass and twigs in your way, I reckon.
We're going round that corner.
Right, so the cars will be coming up from down there. I don't know if you can see my hand, but I think you do. And then they come up that turn. And I think I can get some bangers when they go up the turn there. Alright, so we can hear the chopper going now. And also we could hear the cars at the start, so I think the first one is rolling in soon. Okay, so I need to find a way to get photos of the car instead of all the dust. And there we go. Second car. Nah, I missed focus. It's a pretty good photo, but I missed focus. Like completely. It's on the crowd and not on the car. I need to focus more on the exit of the turn than on the turn itself. The dust on the entrance of the turn is just way too much. So what I'll do now is I will just zoom in a bit more, maybe to like 100, 150 mil, and aim for the exit of the turn. Met some really cool guys here. They gave us beers and they asked us if we want some sausage. They brought a barbecue grill. That's rally racing, eh? And here we go again. Okay, focus on the exit. Zoom in. I want to go for one photo over there on the turn. Boys, is your spot any good? Kind of sucks over there. Yeah? Because all I see is dust, literally. Oh yeah, that's hectic, Billy. That's hectic.
Yeah, bro, eh?
Nice.
Puxa, caralho! Puxa aí! Puxa,
Well, now we're talking. Holy fuck. That's the perfect spot. hold your dogs. Apparently some more cars were coming around. There's the other fucks. Wait, let me, so yeah, there's one, there's the other. We lost the fourth one, but who gives a fuck about Chris anyways? Apparently we had some more cars rocking up now and it's almost sunset. I took some more photos without the POV. I will show you right now probably. We are now taking the way back to the car.
Ou England, anda cá. Anda cá, England, anda cá. Tira ali foto
What?
aquelas duas meninas, vai.
Photo?
Ponham-se aí, filhos.
Want a photo?
Tira
Oh, Sam has to take a portrait now. Yeah, well, but as said, we will now head back to the car. It's quite a long walk. It's a hike, actually. Yeah, the last stage for today was fucking hectic. I don't know if you can properly see it because it's like filmed on the iPhone, but I think you can. And yeah, heading back now. We got some more stages tomorrow. We'll be waking up really fucking early. And yeah, I think that's it for today. See ya.